In this video, I'll walk you through the key differences between Claude and Perplexity to help you choose the right AI for your needs. I start by looking at an overview that defines their core strengths: Claude for deep reasoning and Perplexity for search-based research. I scroll down to the comparison table, noting that Claude functions as a conversational assistant with a massive context window, while Perplexity acts as an AI-powered answer engine with multi-model integration. When I look at the architecture, I see Claude uses its own proprietary models like Sonnet and Opus, whereas Perplexity allows me to switch between different models for maximum flexibility. I move into specific use cases, choosing Perplexity for fact-checking and live news, and Claude for long-form writing or strategic planning. I'm now testing them with a complex prompt regarding Figma's market ratings and user insights from G2. Perplexity pulls live web data to provide a concise summary of user pros and cons while correctly identifying the current 4.7 out of 5 rating. This demonstrates its unique strength in providing verifiable, up-to-date information that standard conversational AIs often miss. I wrap up by checking the final recommendations. If my work is research-heavy and tied to current events, I use Perplexity, but if I need a collaborative partner for creative brainstorming, I go with Claude. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.